Yo, G, turn it up.
Look, check it, nigga, you weak. I'ma pull up with the chopper, leave you dead in the streets. Don't fuck with me, cause I'm from the fucking streets. I got your bitch on her knees, and she sucking my dick in the back of my car seat. Don't fuck with me, cause I'll leave you DAAD. That while I'm making this bed, you fuck with me, I will not hesitate to shoot you in your head. I never call myself a go, but if you fucking with me, I will make you flow. Check it, baby girl, when you left my side, my life is getting tougher. Everything night, thinking about you makes me have to suffer tears in my eyes. I got the news, I don't know how to first react. I just listen to the wind, blow my burn was vague, I couldn't even blink. Everybody knows like that, I don't know what to think. The time passed by so fast, I couldn't believe. I think about you 24/7, my life is in no more, so I wanna go to heaven, yeah. But I also think that I can't give up and let you down. I will try my best to make you proud here in my town. I wish that could have been me, but it's too late. My pain is so cruel that I remember your day. I can't stand here all day by my umbrella. You're looking over me, so I'm not alone. Every year, the reason I'm still living. If it wasn't for you, I'd be leaving. All the fun, all the pain, all the memories, all in my heart. My love for you will never end, but make you proud. Day by day will be a start. Yeah. Yo, could it be?